Hi friends, my name is Deepak Sharma, and in today's video I will tell you some basic concepts of UndoTablespace. And in that UndoTablespace we will discuss some few topics, and in that topics we will discuss about the data dictionaries which is being used by UndoTablespace. After that we will discuss how we can create a new UndoTablespace. Then we will add a new data files to that table space which we will create. Then another topic which we will discuss, like how we can swap the table space which we have created with the one which is being used by our machine for now. And after that we will discuss how we can create an undo table space, how we can delete the data files from that operating system, and we will check how we can check the location of those data files which are in reference to those undo table space which we will create, and some of the dictionary information in reference to that undo table space. So let us start with connecting to the database server. So before to start, I will tell you that I have my Oracle machines which is working on my virtual machine. So these are my machines which are right now running. You see, so this is how it's working. So I'm connecting to those machines with my putty session. So right now I'm connecting to that machine with my Oracle instance, Oracle user. So let me disconnect and connect it again. So I'm connecting it with my Oracle user, and after that I need to execute a command sql plus, then giving the username as sysdba. So I'm connecting as sysdba, and after that I'm executing a startup command to you know so Oracle instance is already running, that's why it's showing that error, that cannot start start Oracle instance because it's running Oracle already. Oracle is running. So on another terminal I have open, I am connecting to the Oracle server, connecting to the Oracle user, and I am going to the location where we have all data files. So that is a location where we have all the data files. The directory is /opt/app oracle ora data and orcl. If you do ls-ltrh, you will get data files. So these are the data files in reference to my instance which I am right now on it. So let me execute some commands and find out like what is the existing undo table space for that instance. So I'm executing a command show parameter space undo. If you will see that undo table space which is being used by the system for now is undo table space -s, right? And if I need to get some more information about it, then then I will execute a command which is select file name from dba underscore data file where table space is equal to that undo table space. So I'm getting a wrong command. I need to execute it once again. Okay, so the error which I have made, I haven't mentioned the right syntax for table space. So the table underscore table space underscore name. is equal to then undo tablespace. So that is a location of my data files which is being used by my undo tablespace. So if I need to find some more information, then I need to find. So now we should create a undo tablespace, and before creating a tablespace we should check the existing one. The existing one is undo tablespace 1. So if I need to create a new tablespace, then I have to give a different name, and for that different undo tablespace I will add some data files in it, and I will also look into my operating system, all those files are like existing ones I have created that tablespace or not. So before to move further, I will check the location of those data files. If you see, my directory is opt app oracle oradata. Orcl is my oracle instance. If you see ps-ef grep smon, then you will get the sid for that my oracle instance. So now I will execute a command through which I will create a new undo tablespace. So the command will be create undo tablespace and then name of that undo tablespace. I will give a new name, undo tbs 2, and after that the data files and then location of that data file. So I will specify that location and then name of my tablespace. So in that case I will give that tablespace like undo tbs 2 dot underscore 01 dot dbf. After that I will close my quotes, and then I have to specify the size for that file. I am giving as 10 MB. So initially the file will be created of 10 MB. Then I am giving it like it will be auto extendable. So I have to execute a parameter auto extend on, and what will be the next space which is given to that auto extendable in that file, then that the next the chunk of block it will acquire will be of 20 MB. So I will give you next chunk will be of 20 MB, and the maximum size of that file I have to give the parameter max size. Max size is equal to 50 MB. So it's giving me an error. Let us check why it's giving that error. So what's happening is like I am giving a wrong syntax to a data file. So I missed A from that data file, and then S was also included. So I put the right syntax, which is data file, and after that when I execute that command, we are supposed to get a new undo tablespace, and in that case we need to. So once we have execute that command, we are supposed to have a file in our operating system. Let us check that do we have any file created by this name on that location. Let's go to our operating system. So I'm just rechecking that we are on a right directory. It's opt app oracle oradata or orcl and data files. So I'm executing a command ls-ltrh, and you see that a new tablespace has been created with approximately 10 MB of space, because at the time of creation we have mentioned the size as 10 MB. Let us create one more data file in that existing uh, undo table space. So in that case the syntax will be alter table space and the name of that undo table space, and then the data file, and in that case the data file would be of different name dot dbf, and then rest of the parameters will be the same one. So I am executing a command and I am putting an add option because we are adding a file to those undo table space, and we are giving a data file with of a different name. So when I execute a command, that table space will be altered. So if I need to check the like how many data files are there in our new undo table space, I will execute a command select file name from dba underscore data files where table space name is equal to undo tbs 2. I'm putting a wrong command. Let me check it once again. So I execute that command and I get two data files which are in reference to our undo table space 2. Okay, so for now if I try to check like what is the existing table space being used by our Oracle system, I can check it by show parameter undo. So it's right now the system is my Oracle instance is using undo table space with the name undo tbs1. So let us alter that table space with the table space which we have created by the name undo tbs2. So I have to execute a command and it will be executed at a system level. So the command will be alter system set undo table space is equal to undo tbs 1, and system is altered. So because we have executed that command, those things has to be reflected in our undo data dictionary. So let us execute a command show parameter undo once again. There should be a change in our undo table space by name. So I am executing command show parameter undo. It's giving me the new older one. Let me execute a command once again. So you see that I have executed a command alter system set undo table space with the new undo table space name undo tbs2. Let us execute a command show parameter undo to find do we have a new undo table space in that dictionary or not. Parameter undo. So you see that the new table space has been created and has been allotted to our instance because we have altered the system. So let me again change that table space to the older one, which was being used by our Oracle instance. So before doing it, let us check one more thing. Like we have add a file in our undo table space. Is that file is existing in our database or not? In our operating system, we have two files should be there for that undo table space. So these are the two files which are there for our undo table space. Let us try to, we have create that undo table space, then we have add data files to that undo table space, we have check how we can find the location of that undo table space. Now like we should try to delete that undo table space, and there is a very simple command through which we can delete that undo table space, or we can drop that. So the command will be drop table space undo tbs2 including contents and data files. Now when I execute that command, I get an error that undo table space with the name undo tbs2 is currently used by Oracle instance. So we have to switch that undo table space to the older one so that we can delete that table space, undo table space with all of its contents and data files. Let us alter our system to the older one. So the older one was alter system and then undo table space with the name undo tbs1. So now my system has been altered. Let us try to check show parameter undo. So this is a dictionary which holds all the value of undo table space. Now the new one becomes the undo table space. Previously it was the one which was holding that information. We change it to tbs2 and now we again change it to tbs1. There are some other contents like undo retention. These are the contents I will discuss in my next video. So now we should execute a command to delete that undo table space. Before deleting that command, I will tell you like there is a command through which we can check the location of our data files which are in reference to that undo table space. Maybe I have executed that command, but let me execute it and tell you how we can check the files for that undo table space. So that files will be on the table dba data files, where table space underscore name is equal to tbs2. So I execute the wrong command because I skip a word from it. So I have to execute it once again. So these are the location of the data files, and those same data files are existing in our operating system, which will be as the physical data files on our system. These one undo table space with 01 and undo table space with 02 options. So now finally we have to drop that undo table space. The command will be drop table space and then name of that undo table space, which is undo tbs2 including contents and data files. So this is a command I have executed, and that table space has been removed. Let us execute the command again and see if we have any files existing for that undo table space or not. Now you will see that there is no file for that undo table space because we have deleted all those contents and data files for that undo table space. Let us check it on the operating system. So do we have any files existing or not? So before it was undo tbs 02 and undo tbs 01 in our location, data file location. Let us execute a command to see the existing file. So for now there is no undo table data files existing. So in this video we have discussed the key concepts, how we can create an undo table space, how we can add files to those undo table space, then swapping undo table space which we have created with the existing one which is used by the Oracle instance, dropping the contents of the data files and checking the data files location on the operating system level. So hope you will have a good information on those undo table space from that video. Thanks a lot.